Much love and peace to you guys. Today we're doing the dance and we are speaking about the higher self. Signs that you are becoming your higher self, signs that you are connected to your higher self, signs that you are actually becoming more in tune with your true essence. Now, what is the higher self? What is the higher self and how do we really connect to it? Now, the higher self is that part of ourselves that actually speaks to us through our emotional field, through our creative process. The more that we are staying connected to our creative field is the more that we are becoming our higher self, okay? So if you are constantly looking at life with a creative view, if you are constantly looking at life with a beautiful, loving perspective, there is a higher chance that you are actually becoming your higher self. There is a higher chance that you are connected to your higher self. Now, the higher self cannot really leave you. You cannot really escape your higher self because your higher self actually knows what to be done. Okay, the higher self actually knows what to do with yourself. You are the higher self, guys, okay? You are the higher self. You are the divine essence that is flowing through you. You are the divine essence that is constantly moving you forward. And you are that stream of thoughts, stream of feelings, stream of actions that is coming through your vibrational field of consciousness, okay? Now, the first sign that you are connected to your higher self is you love yourself unconditionally. You love yourself unconditionally. I've learned through life to actually love myself unconditionally no matter what happened, okay? I've learned to really embrace myself no matter what happened. I've learned to really look within myself no matter what happened. I've learned to really love my flaws. I've learned to love my flaws and I've learned to love my imperfections. And I've learned to really stay connected to my true essence. Okay, so the first tip and the first sign that you are becoming your higher self is the fact that you are starting to love yourself unconditionally. Self-love is super powerful, guys. Self-love is super important in the spiritual journey, in life journey. Okay, so love yourself unconditionally. This is actually the first tip. This is actually the first sign that you are connected to your higher self. This is actually true mastery, to love yourself no matter what. Laugh at yourself. Laugh at your mistakes. Laugh at your imperfections. Laugh at the fact that you are not feeling good enough. Laugh at everything because life is not that serious. We are not that serious, okay? Laugh at everything that is happening in your life because because you gotta not be that serious anymore, guys, okay? Let's actually not be that serious anymore, okay? So I'm taking the energy and I'm not going to be that serious in this video anymore, okay? Now, the second thing is the fact that you see life as a divine life purpose, okay? You are connected to your essence in a way that you are seeing life like a mathematical game where everything is happening for you, okay? You are beginning to create your own reality. You are really seeing life at its best. Okay, I'm not serious now. No, you are seeing life in a divine life's mission. You are seeing life in a divine way. You are seeing life in a way that really represents your soul, and you are seeing life in a way that really makes you stay connected to that divine life mission. Okay, this is actually the second thing in order to become your higher self. See life as a divine purpose because everything that is happening with a divine purpose. Okay, everything that is happening is connected to your own self. Everything that is happening is connected to your own divine life's mission. Okay, now the third thing would be you begin to create your own reality. You begin to create your own reality. You realize that you have the power to really influence the external world with your thoughts, with your feelings, with your actions, with the way that you actually attract things into your life, okay? So you have the power to really shift everything the moment that you actually believe it possible. Okay, you have the power to shift everything the moment that you actually believe it possible. So you get to actually create your own reality. You get to actually shift everything in your life with your mind. Okay, we have the power to create our own reality. We have the power to really transcend ourselves, and we have the power to really stay connected to that divine life's mission. By the law of attraction, we know that everything that is happening, it is because we have attracted it into our lives. Okay, so we have attracted certain experiences, we have attracted certain people into our life, we have attracted certain circumstances. Okay, but when you are beginning to be conscious of these things, you get to actually influence your life with thoughts that you have. You get to actually influence your life with the feelings that you have. You get to actually influence your life with the actions that you take. Okay, so everything is connected in the universe. Nothing is random. Nothing is random. Everything is connected. Okay, now the fourth thing would be you are beginning to have more energy. You begin to have more energy because now you are connected to your inner self. You are connected to your inner source. You are connected to your true abundant self. Energy increase. This is how you know you are connected to your higher self. You let go of the things that are no longer serving you, and you will really step into a creative process. You go more into nature. You really embrace that heart feeling of yours. You really begin to celebrate a bit more, and you are going out of that darkness that you have been feeling. You are now being more connected to your true essence, which is all about love, peace, harmony, abundance, which is all about being the complete self. Okay, so the fourth thing is the fact that you have more energy. You have more energy. If you recognize in yourself that you have more energy, you are now being connected, and you are now releasing inner blocks. You are now releasing inner blocks. You are now releasing all the pain that has kept you a prisoner to yourself. You are releasing inner blocks. You are feeling that you are getting to have more energy. At least this is what I'm experiencing, guys. Okay, so yeah, now the last thing in order to become your higher self, and the last thing is you are now connected to everything in existence. Okay, I realize that there is no separation in life. There is no separation in the universe. We are being connected to everything. And when we really open our senses, we realize that we have always been the universe. We are the universe itself. And we are now feeling more connected to that pure, powerful vibe. We are now feeling connected to that we are feeling connected to that truth that is in the universe. We are feeling connected to that true essence of ours. We are feeling connected to our true, most authentic self, and we make no difference between us and the other, because in a way we are connected to everything. We are connected with the others as well, and we have the power to be anything that we desire. This is also part of the last tip. We have the power to really be anything that we desire. Okay, we have the power to be anything that we desire, and we are really activating ourselves to be our most true, authentic self. Now, another thing would be authenticity. If you are feeling that you are more authentic, it is because you are now connected to your true essence. It is because you are connected to your higher self. If you are feeling that you are becoming more in tune and more authentic, it is because you are honoring yourself. It is because you are respecting yourself. It is because you are opening your heart to whatever is, and you are accepting that situation, and by accepting it, you get to have the power to change it. Okay, so guys, this is today's message about the higher self. These are signs that you are now connected to your higher self. At least this is what I'm experiencing, because when I do these videos, I share my experience with you guys. When I do these videos, I share my consciousness with you guys. Okay, so this is what I'm experiencing right now. I'm feeling more connected. I'm feeling more authentic. I'm realizing that I'm having more energy. I'm respecting myself, and I'm becoming my true essence, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, feel free to contact me. Feel free to send me your message, and we will step right into the play of actually raising our consciousness. We'll step right into the play of really raising our energy, and we are cleansing ourselves in such a way that we are becoming our true higher self. Okay, so much peace, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. I love you guys, much peace, and see ya. Let's become the higher self. Yeah, let's be our higher self. Let's be our true authentic self. I love you.